Hello everybody, I have a small unboxing today. I'm not the type of person that goes and gets new clothes, new shoes. Man, I wear my crap till it falls apart. And you know what? Zip ties. It's falling apart. Okay. Those are my casual slippers if I want to go and just put some on to go outside or whatever. So yeah, they're falling apart. You know, if you like and subscribe and actually watch, I might earn something to buy myself clothes. No, I don't see the point, you know. This is, I don't see the point. If it's still functional, I mean, you know, if I ain't got a testicle hanging out of my underwear, it's still wearable, you know. So, I did buy me some. So, I don't know why it says vegan. These are black. I hope they fit. These ones I'm wearing, I got them at Walmart. They were on like, seen them on clearance and I was going to the beach and I needed a pair. It's just something that I didn't have to destroy my leather boots. And I've been wearing them for years. Shit. So I got these. These were similar. I hope they fit. The cloth will fall off of real quick, I think. I was like, man, I was hoping Walmart would still stock these, because you know Walmart, they usually stock the same old shoes and clothes and whatever. Why'd that go super dark? But okay, these were similar. Show you, same foot. Yep. That's it's pretty bad. That broke last night. So I was like, yeah, it's due. I don't have no place to put another zip tie. You see this crap? Drill a hole, put a zip tie. And I don't go for fashion shows. I wear 10-year-old Danner boots that are, yeah, I should get them conditioned, so. But and Velcro. Where's a helmet? I need a helmet. So, I hope these fit. I will find out here in a minute. I couldn't find a size on my other ones, so. Yep. Oh, they're hard. Hard memory foam. What's cold, that's why. These are outside. Memory foam. But I gotta be able to break them in so I can slip them on and off. You know, unbuckling Velcro, that's a chore. Having to strap them on and off, bend over. Yeah, I'm getting old. So these ones are going to the trash bin. I will wear my new ones. Yeah, I usually wear 8.5 to a 9, but in the slippers, I have to buy them a little smaller because they just get the toes get too long. So these look really similar to my cheapy $5 Walmart ones. I mean, hey, for $5 or whatever it is, maybe 10, not even $10. For these other ones, they lasted me years. And for a cheap Walmart product, I don't think these are going to last that long. The straps on them are kind of how you doing. They're not leather. I don't think these are going to last that long. I thought it said leather. And there's some piece. Yeah, it says leather. There's a little bit of leather there. Maybe pleather. But on the outside here, it's might have a little bit. I don't think they're going to last. But I don't buy myself clothes that often. Okay. That works. Well, we have Cottie. Cottie's like, rub my belly. I'll rub your belly. I'll rub the belly. I rub the belly, yes. I rub the belly. I rub the belly. Okay. I disturbed her. So, okay. Throw these in the trash. Ah. In the trash they are. They're gone. Oh, these are a lot softer. Quiet. Those other ones like sounded like flip-flops, but yes, we can rub the belly. Rub the belly. Rub the belly. She ain't gonna attack. She likes belly rubs. She thinks she's getting cookies. Should we give her cookies? Give a like and I'll give her cookies. Come on, give a like. Okay, there we go. Give her some cookies. Stingy with your likes. Okay, catch you later.